A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. Italian Deputy Prime Minister Matteo Salvini arrived in Palermo, Sicily, on Friday for a pivotal court verdict in his long-standing trial concerning his refusal to allow a migrant rescue ship to dock in Italy in 2019. Facing charges of abuse of office and deprivation of liberty of 147 migrants aboard the Open Arms charity ship, Salvini risks a 6-year prison sentence. As he made his way to the courthouse, a throng of reporters surrounded him, eager to capture his thoughts on the proceedings. Defiant and unapologetic, Salvini proclaimed, "I have fought mass immigration and whatever the verdict. For me today is a beautiful day because I am proud to have defended my country." The case revolves around events from August 2019 when, as Italy's interior minister, Salvini implemented a policy that effectively barred the disembarkation of migrants rescued in the Mediterranean Sea. The standoff lasted nearly 3 weeks, drawing international attention and sparking debates across Europe about migration policies and humanitarian responsibilities. Other EU nations expressed willingness to accept the migrants, while various humanitarian groups rallied for their release. Notably, Hollywood actor Richard Gere even visited the ship in a show of solidarity. Ultimately, the migrants were allowed to disembark on the Italian island of Lampedusa following a court order. The trial has not only captivated the Italian public, but has also attracted support from prominent figures, including US billionaire Elon Musk, who expressed his backing for Salvini on social media. Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, whose hard-right government has also targeted charity rescue operations, stood firmly behind Salvini, labeling the prosecution as incredible for attempting to imprison him for actions she described as part of his duty to protect national borders. Nationalist leaders from across Europe, including France's Marine Le Pen and Hungary's Viktor Orban, have also voiced their support, with Orban posting a photo of himself and others wearing t-shirts featuring a mock, wanted poster of Salvini. Despite the potential for a conviction, legal experts suggest that immediate jail time is unlikely, as Salvini would have the right to appeal any ruling against him. Oscar Camps, the founder of Open Arms, expressed concern over the trial's implications, stating, "We hope for justice, even if we realize there is a significant international pressure in Salvini's favor." He emphasized the importance of the verdict, suggesting it could set a historical precedent. Salvini has long been a controversial figure in Italian politics, known for his hardline stance on immigration and his Italians First policy. During his tenure in the coalition government led by Giuseppe Conte, he enacted a closed ports policy that denied entry to rescue ships, claiming it was a necessary security measure against human traffickers. Testimonies from Open Arms crew members highlighted the dire conditions aboard the ship, including a scabies outbreak and deteriorating physical and mental health among the migrants. However, Salvini maintained that he believed the situation aboard the ship was not critical, arguing that the decision to keep the migrants on board was backed by the entire Conte government. In his testimony, Conte had previously suggested that the decision lacked legal grounding. As the verdict approaches, Meloni's government is also facing scrutiny regarding its own migration policies, with judicial challenges arising from attempts to expedite asylum applications. Salvini's trial began after the Italian Senate voted to strip him of parliamentary immunity in 2020, allowing prosecutors to proceed with the case. The outcome of this trial may not only impact Salvini's political future, but could also resonate throughout Europe, influencing the ongoing discourse on migration and humanitarian responsibilities. As the world watches closely, the implications of this verdict could reverberate beyond the courtroom and into the broader landscape of European politics. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.